home.
Yes.
You know, you're getting real Jamaican taste. Just remind you of back home.
Back home.
So that's how we do it at We Jammin.
Now, this is the red piece. You can see it.
You see that I have the best chef, eh?
Yes.
The best chef in Ontario and Canada.
Wagwan. Welcome back to Kelvin and Friends Cook Up. Yes, guys, I make a stop in Brampton at We Jammin Jerk Seafood Restaurant. So, yes, guys, so we're here with Talika, and she's the founder for We Jammin Jerk Seafood
Jerk and Seafood Restaurant.
Jerk and Seafood Restaurant.
It's a mouthful, I know.
Yes, guys. So, she's gonna show us what she have on the menu for today. All right.
Very excited to do that. We're not doing a whole lot today, but I would very much like to show you what we are going to be doing. So, but you know, we're very happy to have you so we can do a little bit of showcasing, you know, and we want everyone to see us. We are pretty new. So these are my chefs. This is Chef Addy and this is Chef Rick. Yes. So these are my chefs that you see cooking up these wonderful meals that is prepared in my kitchen in our restaurants daily. These are my chefs. When you see us out catering as well, these are my chefs. Nice. Everywhere I go, this is my team.
Right.
One love.
Yeah, man.
One love.
All right.
We Jammin.
We're jamming. Yes, chef. So what you have on the menu for today?
On the menu for today, we got oxtail seasoned up already, prepped from a couple days before.
Nice.
We have our good curry chicken. Yeah. So prep from a couple days before too, because we don't season meat and cook it at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah, we make sure we always have 2 days ahead where we prep our meat.
Okay.
So all these meats are prepped. This is what he's doing. We just because we got jerk chicken prep already, but we're gonna show you how the right way how we do we clean up our chicken for jerk, and we're gonna show you how we clean it up for fry.
Okay.
So Rick clean the chicken. We take off all the skins off our jerk chicken. We don't use no skins on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't use no skins on your jerk chicken?
No, we peel all skins off, wash it with lemon and vinegar, make sure it's so slimy.
Yes.
And then we had our blend seasoning, jerk blend seasoning to it.
Yes.
So as the step goes by, he's cleaning off it now. When we're ready to season it up, you'll see another video.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how much order do you get like on Uber Eat a day?
Yeah, so it depends on the day. Sometimes 10, sometimes 15. So it just started last week. So it's not very busy right now. But so far, you know, it's been very positive. Okay. You know, very good reviews so far.
Yeah.
A few 5 stars, so that's promising.
That's good.
Yeah, it's like I said, it's been promising. So we look forward to more support. And you know, it's good. On the weekend was very busy.
Yes, guys. So this, this is what Chef Rick.
Chef Rick.
Yeah, and Chef Addy.
Oh,
Chef Addy.
Chef Addy.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So Rick, you just get all the chicken prepared.
Get all the chicken prepared. Clean properly.
Yes.
Then we wash properly. Then season with We Jammin blended seasoning.
Yes. So like how long you guys season it for and let it marinate for?
Over a day. So we prep before the day. So like 2 days or a day before. That's how we do our prep it, because we have a day so we do prep.
Yes.
So most of our meat, they are well prep already. Just to show you the video, you understand? Just see how we prepare our meat, see how we clean our meat properly.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing right now. But most of our meat, what we're cooking, they are already prep and in the freezer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna wash our chicken. So we had vinegar.
Okay.
Whenever I wash, I ensure that I finish clean here. because we want our chicken to be really nice,
Yes.
but also well cleaned.
Yes.
Alright, so now we're gonna add our Jammin blended seasoning. It's very spicy, so not gonna add too much.
Okay.
Yeah, so you don't want it to be too dark from now. You want it to have that. So you rub your meat properly and ensure the seasoning.
That's it.
Get down between these areas. Now our chicken is well seasoned and ready for the oven.
Alright.
Alright, so now jerk chicken ready to go.
Alright, let's look at it. That's it right there. So you said this is oven jerk?
Oven jerk.
Alright.
And now
You have to make sure you fire paper it, yeah?
the fire paper, so oven ready.
Yeah, this is for the rice and peas. You give your peas like 3 to 4 wash.
Yes.
Make sure everything. Because sometimes you know peas is very dirty.
Yes.
You give your peas couple wash till when the water is very clear. You know that the peas is good to go.
Yeah.
Okay. So we put a little bit of water like this. Then we put couple garlic.
Okay.
Wash your garlic like this. You go like this. Couple pegs of garlic. You sink it like that. Go like this. Like this. Like this.
Okay, so you just kind of
Yeah.
mash your garlic before you put it in there.
Yeah, you mash your garlic. This is one of the seasons where you can put the all-purpose season. So your peas have a little flavor in it.
Yeah.
Like that. It's a little. Not a lot. It's like the coconut milk to put, the scallion, your thyme.
Okay.
So that's
So when you're doing your rice and peas, you put like just a little bit of seasoning with your garlic.
yeah, so we're gonna add our coconut milk when our peas cook.
Okay.
Make it cook down for a bit. So we just put like that. Yeah, we're gonna cook some curry chicken in this pot. The water is there now. So we're gonna make it dried out, and then we add a little bit of oil to the pot. Then when it's hot, we put our curry chicken in. As you can see, the curry chicken is right here already. So we're just waiting on our pot to hot. Add a little bit of oil, and then we put our curry chicken in, and then from there I can. So we're gonna add a little bit of oil. You don't want to add enough, so we don't want more than this amount in it. Curry chicken, you add a little garlic to your oil, piece of pepper, piece of thyme. So a piece of pepper, you don't want it too spicy, so you just, because the pepper is very hot, so you go like this to burn your curry. This is the curry what we use. Yeah, this is the curry what we use, or a good Jamaican bell pepper curry. So burn your curry. You don't want a lot. You just want it like this, just a little. Just to burn like that. We both got it on the meat, but we don't put a lot on the meat. We burn our curry, make it cook.
So how long you burn the curry for though? Like how long?
Just like a minute or two.
Okay.
Minute or two to make sure.
And you can smell the garlic and the pepper.
The authentic seasoning. That's what we use.
Yes.
When our meat cook, we had our final seasoning to it.
Okay.
So like this, we had our meat. That's our curry. Turn the fire down. Not too hot, so you don't want it to burn. First. want it to burn, you turn your flames down. So you put on the lid on the pot top. We don't add water to it. Our curry spring its own water.
Oh, okay.
So we don't add water to it.
We don't add water to the curry chicken?
No. It spring its own water.
Okay.
So when we put the pot cover, the steam,
yeah,
it spring its own water for now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You see that I have the best chef, eh?
Yes.
The best chef in Ontario and Canada.
And Canada.
Big them up.
Yeah, man.
It's no secret. I keep telling everybody that I have the absolute best in Canada.
Man.
And in the summertime when I pull out the grill pan,
yes,
people just pass and they cannot resist the smell as they walk by as we're outside cooking.
Nice, nice.
Absolutely.
Cleanliness is godliness, so we always try to clean as we go, so nobody don't get a food sick. We wash our hands, we use our gloves, we throw it away, we put our next gloves on. This is when our curry chicken almost finished. Got a little bit of onion, cut half, according to what you want to put in it.
Yeah.
You chop them fine, because when you're serving you don't want to see all these in your food. So we cut them like fine, finest way we can.
Yes.
So when the meat cook, these all dissolve.
Okay.
Yeah. So we cut our onion.
You cut
Very
them fine.
fine.
You cut them very
Yeah,
fine.
yeah. So this is the final touch when our meat is almost cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what we had to it.
Okay.
So we get the right authentic seasoning taste on our meat. Yeah. 20 minutes to stir.
Yeah.
Another good jerk. We're good. Curry chicken, simmering down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Still got a little bit more to go.
Yeah.
We have to continue stir.
Alright.
Alright. This is the rice and peas boiling up. You see peas on top. So guess to make the peas cook, you have to add a little bit more water. So you sink all the peas on top.
Okay. So you add some more water to sink it.
Yeah. Without you doing that, the peas take a longer time to cook.
Okay.
So you see it? You add a little bit more water to it, every piece go back down to the bottom of the pot. So this is how it look. That's the final water for it, and let it cook less than 20 minutes. All depends on how some peas cook. Some might earlier than that, but I give it 20 minutes to cook.
Yes.
And then yeah man, I just add piece of scallion to the peas. Rice and peas. Now this is the red peas. As you can see, these are cooked. You see, these cooked. So I'm just make it cool down for a bit. Then I'm ready to get my coconut milk, my thyme, a little bit of salt, some butter, and make the coconut milk cook. Then I add my rice.
Okay.
This is my coconut milk. I had it.
Right.
Coconut milk.
Yeah.
Right. And the coconut milk is, you have to give it a little stir. Make sure. Good rice and peas.
Some good rice and peas.
Yeah man, good Jamaican rice and peas.
The coconut milk.
I'm gonna add a little salt. You don't want it your rice to salt. So salt, you add in your taste. That's how you cook.
Yeah. So you get the right flavor.
Yes. So at this time, you know, coconut milk it take like a good 10 to 5 minutes to cook. So meanwhile, my coconut milk is cooking. I'm gonna wash my rice and So when my coconut milk cook, I got time to put in my rice.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a little bit of white rice. So I'm cooking it in a small rice cooker. We wash our rice like 7-8 times because rice is a very dirty.
7-8 times.
Yeah. So we wash rice until when water is clear.
Okay.
Yes, rice is a very starchy food. So we have to learn to wash our starch out of it the most where we can.
Okay.
So we wash it like 7 to 8 times. These are the stuff we are adding to the curry. You know, people like gravy on their food, so we have to have gravy. So meat almost, you know, chicken don't take a long time to cook.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So these are the stuff, like last stuff we had. To my curry chicken, I put a sweet potato next to it, and then make it cook down for the next 5 minutes because you want your vegetable to chew it. You don't want it to mash out and like you can't even taste a piece of the carrot or a piece of the Irish. So next 5 minutes the curry chicken will be done. This is for the curry chicken. Yeah man, curry chicken is finally finished. Yeah, we have to have gravy to serve it, like, as you can see.
Yes.
No oil, real gravy, vegetable. It's good to go, don't mashed out.
Yes.
Well
Look good.
presentable.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, it look real good man.
Yeah man.
Yes guys,
Really.
look at that. Some curry chicken ready to go.
Yeah man.
Nice.
Just make it steam off now.
Yeah.
Pull the file off. Yeah man, one chef for the man.
That is it.
Yeah man, respect.
Alright. So, chef, so how long you been cooking for?
Yeah, I'm cooking for as long as over 15 years.
15 years?
Yeah.
From where? Back home?
Yeah, back home I used to work at most of those hotels, back home 5 stars hotel like the Sanders, the Hilton, the Sunset Beach, the Trial, all those big 5-star hotels. Plus we used to own our own restaurant back home. So this is like a easy task for me. It's nothing too hard.
Yeah, chef. So, what's you mostly specialize in?
We mostly specialize in Caribbean food like seafood, any type of seafood. Yeah.
Seafood.
Yeah, because I grew up at the seaside, you know. So any type of seafood, yeah. Chef Adi can cook it. You understand? So
Chef Rick, so how long you been cooking for?
Roughly, say 9 years.
9 years?
Yes.
Okay, so what, you been cooking from back home or?
Cooking from back home, but mostly small events like birthday parties, weddings. Mostly in the streets too, because I used to operate a soup system in Claremont, St. Anne.
Claremont,
Yes.
St. Anne's.
Yes, everybody knows soupy down in St. Anne, Claremont. Right?
That's you?
Yes.
Nice.
But my favorite though is like doing soup and baking potato puddings.
So you specialize in baking potato pudding?
Potato puddings, yes.
And soup?
And soup.
Okay.
And we'll be having potato pudding. We do a potato pudding on our menu also. So
Here?
Here.
Okay, nice,
And
nice.
we also do rum cakes.
What I said?
Yes.
That's good, guys. So that means you can, if they want them potato pudding, they can get them potato
They
pudding
can
here.
get the potato pudding right here, right at we Jammin.
Ah.
So we don't just do food, but pastry,
Okay.
baking. Come and get your baking right here,
Ah.
we Jammin.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Authentic Jamaican potato pudding. In Jamaica, I like doing it outside. We have that little thing on the top, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So you have the Ella top, Ella top, Ella bottom, and they said hallelujah in the middle.
Yes.
Yes, that
All
Jamaican
right.
thing. So right.
Yes.
Yes.
Nice.
But you do get the same flavor though as what we do at we Jammin, because we have our way of preparing it to get that real Jamaican taste that people used to. Right. So now we're gonna do some fried chicken. So now there's pot is on the stove warming up. I'm gonna add some oil. Alright, you wanna add enough oil, so alright, as you can see, we had a few pegs of garlic, pepper to give that oil the flavor.
Okay.
Yes, so that the garlic and the pepper season the oil. So it adds extra taste to our fried chicken.
Nice.
So now we have our chicken seasoned from a few days before, so
Yeah.
well marinated.
Yeah.
Because as we explained before, we don't just season chicken today and fry it today. So our chicken is seasoned from a few days before, so our season can well marinate in our chicken. So now we have our flour well seasoned. So add our chicken. I shake and I press. Waiting on our oil to be properly warmed. Fry our chicken.
Alright, nice.
So now we're gonna add our chicken. So we dust that extra flour off.
Okay.
So that chicken is all set.
So how long you usually fry the chicken for now?
20 minutes, approximately 20 minutes for a well done chicken.
Oh, okay.
Yes. In 20 minutes time, we have our chicken ready.
Yes. Some good fried chicken.
Good fried chicken.
Yes.
That Jamaican flavor, yard chicken. Alright, so now we're going to strain this water off.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the chicken broth.
Yes.
Yes.
The chicken broth, we strain it off because we can take it and make sauce for the jerk chicken. So
Now we're not going to add the file back to the cover,
Yeah.
to the baked in. So we're going to put our chicken in so you can get that jerk chicken color that you're looking for.
Oh, okay.
Good. Now our jerk chicken is ready. So remove from oven. Now our jerk chicken is ready.
Yeah.
As you can tell, you smell the flavor, right?
Yes.
Smell that jerk seasoning.
Well marinated.
Well marinated. Ready to eat.
Wow.
This is the next banger.
What you said?
This is the next banger.
Yeah. And then you're gonna put this.
And whenever you add that jerk sauce to it,
Yeah.
oh my goodness.
Delicious.
You don't want to stop eating jerk chicken. But not just any jerk chicken. We Jammin jerk chicken.
That is it.
Right.
a little of the sauce.
And this is a nice oven jerk.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our nice oven jerk chicken. Yes, so that's one of the things about the Jammin. You think about the name you're thinking about back home.
Yes.
You know, you're getting real Jamaican taste. Just remind you of back home.
Back home.
So that's how we do it at We Jammin.
Alright. Nice.
So we're allowing our chicken to soak properly.
Yeah.
So you have that color, then you want to know that it is well soaked.
Well soaking, yeah?
Yeah, you can see it basically with a piece of paper towel, so that extra oil that left in the chicken.
Yeah.
And just soak it properly. You don't want when you're eating the chicken it's oily.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Now our fried chicken is ready. And that extra oil off.
Yeah. That's that. Nice.
So this is the finishing touch
Yes.
of our fried chicken.
Nice.
So marinated properly, fried properly,
Ready to go.
and
Ready to
eat.
serve.
Ready to serve.
Ready to eat.
Ready to eat. Some good fried chicken
Yeah.
from We Jammin restaurant.
Yes.
Well seasoned.
Look at that, guys.
Look at the color.
Oh gosh.
Smell that.
Nice. Alright guys, so you know me have to try the fried chicken. Yes, look how crispy it is. Hear that? Oh gosh. Look there. Look at that, guys. Flavor nice. Seasoned well, cause you see, season it from overnight. Yes, guys. Seasoned, well cooked, well fried. Huh? Taste the flavor in this one. Taste the flavor. Real good. Yes, guys. So make sure you guys check them out on the website. Yes, and if you're interested, remember, check them out on Uber Eats too. And if you have any catering or anything, you could reach out to them and let they do your wedding, your birthday party, or any function you have. Yes, cause the food tastes nice. Fried chicken. Yeah, man. So right now, go and enjoy my chicken, you know. All right.
Yeah. So you set out some peas and over
All right, guys. So you know we're here with Talika. So what inspired you to open We Jammin?
Lots of things. So first of all, I had a health scare.
Okay.
So I was home. I am home, and then I decided I need something to do. It's not like me to be home not working,
Yeah.
and so I decided to do a little something.
Yes.
You know, something to help me, just a little bit more than I'm doing now. And also, my partner is a chef, so I figured, you know, let's do something that he enjoys
Yes.
and that I can do as a hobby,
Yes.
just for his sake. So that's my inspiration, more so something he enjoys, right? So more so for him than for me, really. Here we are. That's Chef Addy. He's
Yes.
you know,
Yes.
this is
To
more
see you in
his
the kitchen
vision.
working.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
This is more his vision than mine, right? This
Yes.
is more so for him than for me. So here we are, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long since We Jammin restaurants came out?
Since last April.
Last April?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We've
Nice.
come a long way.
And so for now you're doing only catering and Uber Eat
Yeah, we just started with Uber Eats last week.
last week.
Yeah.
Wow.
Catering so far has been very good.
Good. Yeah.
Last summer, Caravana, Jambana, events with the city. We're very excited. You know, my goodness, Caravana was very successful. Jambana was extremely successful. We thank God.
That's good.
Those type of things. Very excited. We can't wait for this year for our festivals. People were so supportive. You know, we can't wait to go back out with Urbana. So, oh my goodness, people, look out for us.
Yeah.
We're so excited. Look for us.
Yes.
With Jammin Jerk and Seafood Restaurant. I know you loved our food. We're going to be out there again. Come and support us. Caravana, Jambana, and all the other festivals that we're coming. Jamaica Day, we're going to be hopefully at every single, as much as we can. We're going to be there. I know you love our food. And we give you the authentic Jamaican food.
Real Jamaican food.
Real Jamaican food.
So, what kind of menu you guys have in the week? So, all right, talking about this now, Uber Eat.
Right.
You're doing Uber Eat now.
Right.
What kind of menu you have in the week, or how does it go? What kind of menu you have?
Right now we're only offering, jerk chicken, jerk pork. Jerk pork is right now, for now, we're only doing it on weekends only.
On the weekends, okay.
Yeah, for now, right? As we pick up, we might start doing it because it's one of our absolutely most ordered food.
Jerk pork.
Yeah, believe it or not, yes.
Wow.
We do
Hear
it
that,
on.
guys?
Yeah, we do
Love
it on
it.
weekends
Jerk
only.
pork, yes.
We do it on weekends only.
Nice.
And it's absolutely one of our most ordered food, as well as soup.
Soup.
Yes.
So when you guys do soup on weekends, or you do it?
On Saturdays only.
Okay.
In the week, jerk chicken, ordered a lot, and curried chicken.
Okay.
Right.
Nice.
Fried chicken. We do fried chicken. We do curried chicken. Jerk chicken. We do oxtail. Yum yum. So and fried fish.
And fried fish. So the seafood now. How is the seafood? Is it done to order or?
The steam fish is done to order.
Yeah, but do you do other seafood or otherwise from fish
Not yet.
You do only fish you doing now?
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't want to introduce too much too fast.
All right.
But if you pick up the phone and you call our number, we have our website www.jammin jammin.ca. We can remember we're a catering company.
Yes.
We can make whatever you want.
Okay,
right?
So if they have any catering and they can reach out to you guys, they can
www.wejammin.
And is there a number that they can go to, or they have to go on the website?
437-771-9970. 437-771-9970.
Yeah, guys. So if you guys are interested and you want them to do any catering, just reach out to them. Just go on the website. What do you say? What do you want to say to all the people out there who's watching?
So thank you everyone that has been supporting us, and if you've not supported us, please check us out on our website, www.wejammin.ca, and also we are on Uber Eats, and we're gonna be on DoorDash as well, and Kelvin and Friends Cookout. Thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate you. It was a pleasure having you here with us today. Thank you so much. And as always, come nyam and jam with us. We appreciate you so much at our restaurant. Thank you so much. Take care.
So Chef Rick,
Chef Adi,
the Perfect with Jammin team, who keep on preparing this authentic Jamaican food with tasty flavor. And let me say enough thanks to our customers who keep supporting, and we just want to say big thank you to Kelvin and Friends Cookup. Go subscribe to their YouTube channel, go support them on Instagram, TikTok, all social media platforms. Just go check out Kelvin and Friends Cookup. And thanks for supporting with Jammin Seafood Restaurant.
enough respect. In the summer, jerk chicken on grill pan, real cool. Yeah, man.
Alright.
Respect.
They get the real authentic
cool.
Yes.
Real jerk chicken. Yes, smoky taste.
Yes.
Just check we out. Summer, we just wait on the bad winter if you done. And then summer, scheme turn up more. Yeah, man.
Respect.
Yeah, man. Yes, guys, you could check them out on Uber Eats and DoorDash from Tuesday to Saturday. Yeah, man, from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Yes, guys, and you can get some good Jamaican dish. You understand? Yeah, just reach out to them. You know what I mean? So this is what they do daily. You know, and then when they have the large, big event, they have their big space where they go and they do all the catering. So, alright guys, so as you can see, amazing food they're cooking up in the kitchen. So don't afraid to reach out to them. And just, if, as I said earlier, if you have any catering, if you have any birthday party, if you have any wedding, anything, just reach out to them. We Jammin Jerk Seafood Restaurant, you know. And trust me guys, the food amazing. As you can see how they fry their fried chicken, how they do their curry chicken, and how they do their jerk chicken. Yes, and the rice and peas, guys, check them out on Uber Eat. Yeah man, and thank you for watching the video. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe, like up the channel, and see you guys in the next video. God bless. Yeah.